Here's a 2017 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. From the striking looks to the proven powertrain technologies that are up to any task, this Silverado stands out from the rest. It comes with all the amenities you need: Ecotec 3 engine, AutoTrack 4-wheel drive, automatic transmission, trailer hitch receiver, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, OnStar 4G LTE Wi-Fi hotspot, front heated leather split bench seats, active grille shutters, electronic shift on the fly, auto dimming rearview mirror, and LED low and high beam headlights. Edmunds.com reports the Silverado pickup is just as adept at serving as the weekday family car as it is at transporting home improvement supplies or towing a boat on the weekends. Performance, value, durability, Chevy. Experience it for yourself today.
Your satisfaction is our goal. We're conveniently located at 2375 County Road 10 in Mounds View, Minnesota.